Azoospermia is a condition where there are no sperms or absent sperm in your semen sample, and the condition seems devastating to the couple with totally no hope for pregnancy. But with the procedure of TESA, that is testicular sperm extraction, we can extract the semen from your testes and inject into the eggs of the female partner with the technology of intracytoplasmic injection with a very good success rate.
Mentri Ketenat Koit ke Khiah ke Jelam Meghalaya Dr. Ampareen Lingdo haka hendro terik unai wiang hajar arpulai. Ila pentip ban hakaliang ke sorkar kan jiet ya ke company ke Biang Tam na gebenta ban peniat ya ke snat terikam jengki kali kit nongpang 108. Ya gani ila juba badin bami ke kubor hakikat tu kani kilat patai kubor bagi sorkar kelatmu ban aiti no asyakawi ke company ban peniat ya ki ambulans 108 haka jela. Habagren syakilat patai kubor, Dr. Ampareen Lingdo ila Pynthikna bahalor kajing tap tanda jengki company ki ban peniat ya kesnat terekam ki kali kit nongpang 108 kan omdon kanu kajing muslia nakaliang ki menteri hak sorkar. Nakaliang ke menteri kala pentip bahak kebayadai bat ki company ki ban peniat ya kini ki kali kit nongpang nakaliang ke sorkar kandon benta tang banjit ki company ki Biang Tam. Nak benta ki nong syong snong bat kam tam nak benta ka bahak kamiat ki nong 108.
A tender procedure is being supervised by a tender committee. And we have a competent tender committee. What has happened in this bid, to my understanding, is the fact that bidders have become very competitive. All bidders feel that they are the most competent company to run the 108 service. Let me remind the bidders one thing. You are bidding in the state of Meghalaya not to serve a luxurious service. You are here to be committed to ensure that the people of the state of Meghalaya get the best ambulance service and life-saving opportunities as possible. We are not going to be distracted by this competitive argument between companies. We are here to select the best of the best. Allegations, submissions, counter submissions will not solve the problem. We are here to provide for the best ambulance service for the people of the state of Meghalaya. The 108 service has suffered several beatings in the past, and I will not be party to any irrelevant matter that will distract us as a state government to provide the most competitive service, ambulance services. We would like to see that ambulances reach every block. We would like to see that there is state-of-the-art technology that will connect an ailing citizen from the time they pick him or her from the house to the time they dispose them of or they send them to a medical team. What can we do for the people of the state of Meghalaya? Can we have a system where not only will the ambulances reach at the shortest time possible, but also travel in safety? We should ensure that there is safety for the workers, safety for the patient, and we do not want to get into a situation where you see very undesired accidents that have resulted in a lot of other negative ramifications. So my plea to the bidders: discipline yourself. Wait for the selection procedure to be completed, and please don't go to the media again and again with your complaints, because your actual complaint desk is the committee.